Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how you can add taxes in Prestashop. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to International in left corner and click taxes. When you're going to be here, you want to click on add a new tax. You can name it like Slovak tax, and then we can go 20% and we can change the English to something else, like my own country. I can find it here. So you just choose the country here. Czech Republic, it doesn't matter. And yeah, or enable or disable. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, and then just click save. Have a great day and goodbye.